Action. Hi, and welcome to my Patreon page. My name is Camilo Ruiz. I am an artist and I'm also an educator. And I have been teaching in the media arts and animation programs for over 10 years. Everything from perspective drawing to drawing for animation and finally portfolio classes. What I would like to do here in my Patreon page is to give you the opportunity to actually join me so I can show you step by step every single stage of the production process. What we're going to be working on is on how you can create your own comic book. I have written and published and drew the whole entire series of my own comic book called The Wild Warriors. And what I would like to do now is to give you the inside scoop, show you behind the scenes, and give you all this information before anybody else. So please join me as I show you what steps you need to follow in order to become a great artist. Now, don't get me wrong, this particular Patreon is not only for the aspiring artists. What I would like to do is to build a community of individuals who enjoy, love, and support the arts. So if you just like my art and would like to support me there, I will appreciate that. Even if it's for one single month, I want to show you all of it. The good, the bad, and the ugly. Please join me as we go through all the thrives and challenges of the creative process. Some projects here will include working with the Wild Warriors issue 5. Also, we're going to be working together with the art of the Wild Warriors as I created from scratch here with you. I'll show you techniques on how to ink, how to watercolor, how I prepared before I jump into my comic books, okay? And of course, without being said, there's also going to be a lot of classes coming your way. I take your support very seriously, and I want you to feel 100% confident that you can rely on on-time posts. With that being said, thank you so much for your patronage, and I will see you on the next post.